This week saw the Pixel 3 XL leak out in pretty much every way imaginable, and that was on top of an already unprecedented number of leaks for Google's new flagship. Things are done yet, though, as now a fresh unboxing video has hit the web, giving us a high quality look at the phone as well as what's inside the box. If you will recall, an unboxing video of the Pixel 3 XL hit the web earlier this month, which gave us a good look at what comes in the box. Now, after more Pixel 3 XLs have gone out thanks to the black market, we have got a much better quality video available. The YouTube channel Digi posted a video this week which unboxes a brand new Pixel 3 XL with a crisp 1080 pixels video detailing the phone and its various accessories. As noted in the last unboxing, this includes USB-C earbuds that look just like last year's Pixel Buds, the typical charging accessories and headphone jack adapter, as well as the quick switch adapter and the Team Pixel stickers included. Once the phone gets unboxed and powered up, we get another look at the screen and software, as well as what is presumably the default wallpaper. We also get our closest look yet at the back of the phone, all but confirming that it's made from glass. The video also shows off the phone's selfie capabilities, which, as we exclusively reported, are apparently being enhanced with the two camera sensors.